Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. How much does it cost to have a toilet professionally installed? Of all the things you might spend your hard-earned money on, shelling out for a professional toilet installation doesn't top your list of fun expenditures. It may even be ironic how much this seemingly simple task can cost. But before you grumble about how much does it cost to have a toilet professionally installed, consider this: installing a toilet involves more than just screwing a few bolts into place and connecting some pipes. It's an intricate job that requires technical expertise and precision, something not everyone possesses. Let's explore all those factors that influence cost, provide an average estimate for your budgeting needs, and break down the installation process so you know exactly what you're paying for. After all, doesn't understanding where our money goes make us feel better about spending it? So stay with us as we unpack everything you need about professional toilet installation costs. Factors affecting the cost of toilet installation. When considering the cost of having a toilet professionally installed, there's more to consider than just the price tag on the new unit itself. Labor costs can significantly impact your bottom line and often vary depending on your geographic location. Additional factors like removing and disposing of your old toilet and any necessary bathroom repairs or modifications can add to the overall expenditure. Cost of the toilet itself. Choosing the type of toilet you want to be installed is a major decision that directly affects cost. Toilet types range from basic two-piece models to more complex one-piece or wall-hung toilets, each with varying prices. Flushing mechanisms are another factor. Options include single flush, dual flush, or even touchless flush systems, which can be more expensive but offer better water efficiency. If you're environmentally conscious and looking for eco-friendly options, consider toilets with water sense labels or low-flow models that use less water per flush. The price tag also increases when you opt for luxury features like heated seats, automatic lid openers and closers, night lights, and bidets. These might seem extravagant, but they enhance user comfort and convenience significantly. Do bear in mind, though, that while the initial purchase price is important to consider when buying a toilet, so too are long-term costs, such as maintenance expenses and water bills, which could add up depending on your chosen model's durability and water consumption rate, respectively. Remember, investing wisely now could save you money in the future. Labor costs. Let's not forget the labor costs of getting your new toilet up and running. The cost of professional installation varies for many reasons. One of these is the plumber's experience, as those with more expertise often charge higher rates for their knowledge and skills. You may also need to consider the cost of installation materials, such as wax rings, bolts, and supply lines. These items ensure a safe and efficient installation but add to your expenses. Remember that emergency installations typically have a higher price tag due to their urgent nature. This is especially true if you're dealing with weekend rates, when plumbers might charge extra for working during off hours or holidays. Some installations may require specialized tools, which could increase the final invoice if your plumber needs to invest in additional equipment for your job. So while it might be tempting to choose a cheaper option initially, remember that quality workmanship using appropriate tools will save you from future headaches and potential repairs down the line. Geographic location. Believe it or not, even your humble zip code can wrench your plumbing budget. The reason for this is simple: the cost to have a toilet professionally installed varies greatly depending on geographic location. Regional pricing differences that range from city to city and state significantly influence local plumber rates. These differences often reflect the area's cost of living and can dramatically affect how much you'll end up shelling out for your bathroom upgrade. Other costs need consideration about geography, such as city permit costs. Depending on where you live, getting the necessary permits for toilet installation can add a sizable chunk to your bill. But remember one more crucial factor: local market competition. If numerous plumbers are competitive for business in your region, competition could drive prices down. Conversely, if options are limited with only a few licensed professionals available, prices may increase due to a lack of competitive pressure. Understanding these dynamics specific to your locality is key when estimating the cost of having a toilet professionally installed. Removal and disposal of your old toilet. Before diving headfirst into your bathroom remodel, don't overlook removing and disposing of your old throne. It's not as simple as just yanking it out and tossing it in the trash. Your old toilet's value may be more than you think, so consider some disposal methods that could put a little extra cash in your pocket while minimizing environmental impact. For instance, recycling possibilities exist for many parts of a toilet, such as porcelain, which can be ground down to make countertops or tiles. Selling or donating the toilet is an option if it's still in good working condition. Remember that toilets contain parts classified as hazardous waste, specifically those with mercury components, like certain types of flush valves. Strict regulations govern how these materials should be handled and disposed of appropriately. Average cost of professional toilet installation. The average cost of having a toilet professionally installed is around $200 to $700 for each toilet, and there are many factors like the type of toilet, installation method, current plumbing setup if it needs electrical for bidet, and other reasons. While doing it yourself may seem like an appealing money-saving option, consider the potential pitfalls and complexity of the task. The installation involves more than just attaching parts. It requires knowledge about plumbing systems, building codes, and floor leveling. You also need to factor in the time needed for this endeavor. Professional installations typically take 2 to 4 hours, depending on your bathroom setup. Hiring professionals often come with warranty offerings, something that might not be available if you go down the DIY route. Warranties cover certain damages or malfunctions after installation, providing peace of mind knowing that any defects or problems will be addressed at no extra cost. Breakdown of toilet installation process. Ready to understand the ins and outs of a professional toilet installation? First, it involves removing and disposing of your old toilet, ensuring the area is clear for the new replacement. Once the new toilet is installed, it undergoes rigorous post-installation testing and thorough cleanup to ensure everything functions correctly and your bathroom remains spotless. Removal and disposal of the old toilet. Don't forget there's typically an additional charge for removing and disposing of your old toilet. This is a crucial part of the process as it clears space for your new bathroom feature and addresses sanitary concerns. Considering that a toilet's lifespan can be 10 to 15 years, or even longer, if well maintained, your old throne has likely seen better days. It's important to understand the environmental impact of improper disposal methods and take advantage of recycling opportunities where possible. When it comes to getting rid of your old toilet, several factors need consideration. Toilet lifespan. The age and condition of your toilet can determine how easy or difficult its removal will be. Older models may require more delicate handling due to their brittle parts. Disposal methods. Several methods are available, from local curbside pickup services to hiring a professional waste disposal company. Some municipalities offer free pickups for large items like toilets. Environmental impact and recycling opportunities. Many toilet components, such as porcelain, often used in road construction, can be recycled. So before you consider dumping it into landfill sites, check local recycling facilities or organizations that accept old toilets. Installation of the new toilet. The cost of installing a new toilet varies depending on several factors, such as the model of the toilet, plumbing requirements, installation tools needed, and the time spent on installation. A basic toilet might cost you anywhere from $200 to $500, while a more complex or high-end toilet can be around $500 to $3,000 or more in total costs. Toilet styles. Installation tools. Plumbing requirements. Basic models are cheaper but might not have advanced features like dual flush technology or comfort height specifications. Basic tool sets include wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and a level. Existing plumbing should be compatible with the new unit. Modifications would add extra cost. High-end models come with advanced features which could increase installation complexity, thus leading to higher costs. Specialized tools such as wax ring kits or closet bolts that secure the toilet might be required. Any upgrades to meet local building codes will also impact the overall cost. The toilet warranty coverage differs by manufacturer and model, which may influence your choice and potential future maintenance costs. If hiring professionals, they typically provide their tools, reducing this concern for you. Adequate water pressure is essential for optimal functioning of the new units. Post-installation testing and cleanup. For quality assurance, various testing methods are employed to ensure everything's working perfectly. You can expect your professional installer to check for leaks around the base and tank, inspect water levels in the bowl and tank, and test flush functionality multiple times. This thorough testing ensures that all components work seamlessly together for optimum performance. On top of meticulous tests, cleanup techniques are vital in maintaining your newly installed toilet's longevity and aesthetic appeal. The professionals will wipe down all surfaces, remove any debris or dust created during installation, and give advice on post-installation care practices. They will explain what their warranty coverage includes, usually labor and parts, so you can rest assured knowing that should anything go wrong within the covered period, it'll be taken care of promptly at no extra cost. The benefits of professional toilet installation. You'll find a whole host of benefits when you choose to have your toilet professionally installed, including superior quality and long-lasting results. The professional expertise in such installations ensures that every detail is meticulously handled. These experts understand the ins and outs of correct installation procedures, ensuring sanitation standards are upheld throughout the process. This prevents leaks and safeguards against potential hygiene issues down the line. One major advantage often overlooked is the warranty benefits of professional installations. When you hire seasoned professionals for your toilet installation, they typically offer warranties or guarantees on their workmanship. If anything goes wrong within a specified period post-installation due to a fault in labor or materials used, they will handle necessary repairs at no extra cost to you, a great safety net for any homeowner. So while it may cost more upfront, choosing professional service gives you peace of mind knowing that your contractor's warranty policy would cover any future problems related to installation. Wrapping it up. Don't let your home remodeling project turn into a plumbing nightmare. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, our team of experts will handle every detail, from toilet selection to professional installation, ensuring the job is done right the first time. Considering a DIY approach's complexity and potential hidden costs, isn't it time you invested in quality and peace of mind? Don't risk additional expenses or mishaps by going it alone. Trust us, the professional difference is worth every penny. Take the next step towards a flawless bathroom remodeling experience. Visit our website or call us today, and let Phoenix Home Remodeling transform your vision into a reality. Remember, a well-executed project isn't just about improving your home, it's about enhancing your lifestyle. Act now. FAQs, toilet replacement cost. What are some common mistakes made during a DIY toilet installation? Ever tackled a DIY toilet installation? You might have faced incorrect positioning, leakage issues, flawed sealing, or over-tightening problems. Not having adequate tools can also throw a wrench in your plans. How long does it typically take to install a toilet professionally? With professional expertise, installation duration typically ranges from 1 to 3 hours. Timing considerations, required tools, and unforeseen challenges can extend this. What's the best time to replace an old toilet? The best time to replace your toilet considers its lifespan, efficiency, and visible replacement signs, factor in budget planning for new efficient designs. Remember, a well-functioning toilet is key to serving household needs efficiently. Are there any specific brands or types of toilets that are easier or more difficult to install? 80% of plumbers find Toto toilets easier to install due to their straightforward design. Comparing brands, Toto's durability and features stand out, offering installation simplicity and cost efficiency. However, complex models may require professional assistance. Are there any environmental benefits to upgrading or installing a new toilet? Upgrading to a new toilet can enhance water efficiency and energy savings. Such toilets often use eco-friendly materials, reducing waste and promoting sustainable living. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.